So once again, I'm recapping from here. The entire world, INA takes care of IPv4, IPv6 management. If we go to the year, we go inside of this, DNS management and IP addresses management will be taken care by INA. If you want to work with IPv4 or IPv6, you must understand first its classes, its features. INA has clearly mentioned few prerequisites. If you are working with IPv6 or IPv4, INA said very clearly about IPv4 will have classes. Now I'll take you to the diagram of IPv4 classes. IPv4, IPv6. IPv4 is 32-bit length. This is IPv6 128-bit length address. Number of IPs. IPv4 4,128,000,000. Okay, broadcasting and multicasting. Not this is the one I'm looking for it. I have few images with me. I don't want to show my images. You think that I'll bought it from somewhere. I'll just Google it and show you everything so that you'll understand. Classes image, I'm not getting it. Yes, let's go to IPv4 classes. This is IPv4 classes. Here I would like to show you. You may ask why I should know all this. You bought a land of 2000 SFT. You should know, right? 2000 SFT, how many rooms you can make it. Same thing you're doing it, nothing, but we are just doing the calculation. IPv4 has class A to class E. Class A, class B, class C can be used by anybody. Class D and E cannot be used by you and me. Class D and E is being used by national security, defense, research and development, broadcasting purpose. That means INA says, hey, I deal with IPv4, IPv6. I deal with IPv4, IPv6. Let's talk about IPv4. Under IPv4, you have classes. How many? Class A to class E. Class A, class E. A, B, C, D, E. And in this again they say D and E cannot be used by public. Then what else we have? A, B, C we have. And who can use D and E? National security, defense, experiment, research and development, and broadcasting purpose. Only for broadcasting purpose. This reserved for multicasting, experimental. These two. A, B, C, you have public. Under this public, you and me are using 3 devices. Example, myself, I'm using 3 devices. If I buy 3 public IP for my 3 devices, I have to sell my property, entire property. Because that expensive is public IP. So what INA has decided is, if somebody is like you and me, general public want to use the devices, then they can go with the class A, class B, class C, class A, class B, class C. They can go with this, not D and E. In this, they can choose 2 things, public IPs, private IPs.